Alright, so freeze plugs are out, everything's hunky-dory. The cam gear... Ooh. Hey, buddy.
Afraid to ask.
I'm trying to zoom in on that. That's why we were stuck.
It's got some chunks in it.
Yeah, look how flat they are.
Mm-hmm.
That's not good. So, Patrick,
We gotta have a conversation.
I think we need to have a little powwow here. Because I think this cam might be fakaked. Let's go ahead real quick then. Get my tray right here. Not that tray, the other tray. That's all Joey's old lifters. You could toss the lifters, and then the push rods and rockers we'll just put over on the table. But look at that. There's wear in the... Look at this. In the bore where the distributor is, there's wear.
I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. I'm just kind of curious.
Oh, a magnet? You can get them out with a magnet. Yeah, they come right out. They should, anyway. We should be able to get them out.
Yeah, it's just big. Okay. I just want to see one.
There you go. Careful. Careful. It's not terrible. It's a little concave on the bottom, but it's not terrible.
Oh, you want to try to pull the...
We can pull them all out. We can pull the cam out. Don't pull them out yet. Let's get that tray ready, and then we'll pull them out. So, we're just taking the lifters out, making sure. Because I really want to inspect.
Help me, guys. He's keeping me hostage.
No, not.
Help me.
Help me. What?
Abuse.
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 All right. So, pulling out. They all looking all right?
Man.
Let's see. Well, that ain't bad. I'm only worried about one thing. That's that gear. Let's not get these mixed up. In my old tray. Tray. Tray.
Where's the cray?
We're a little cray for the tray. They're all looking good. I just want to pull the cam out because I really want to make sure, like, drive gear for the distributors. Okay. I mean, it would suck if we have to get rid of a cam that's good otherwise, because the gear's fakaked. But with a distributor stuck like that,
Yeah, that was gnarly.
that was pretty bad. That was really bad.
It's a little dirty.
Yeah, these are all right so far. Yeah, so far they're pretty good. Yeah, nothing odd. I mean, that's got a little pitting, it looks like. Ooh, the edge is really sharp on that one. It's not terrible.
Oh, yeah. But I mean, if they're pretty much original, like...
I mean, they definitely have wear. Oof. Oh, that one's... You can see it. Oh, yeah, that one's
And that's
convex.
getting closer to the gear.
Look at that.
Yep.
Okay, that's a little questionable. Boys and girls. Oh, why I hit the stop button, but... On that one. Ooh, that one's got it too. Look at that. Oh, yeah. You can see it, and it's rippled. That one's really got it. I can see it. You see? Oh. Oh, wow. That's got scuffing, too. Here, wipe that. Really nice. Oh, wow. You can see the... You put it in the light? Thanks. Oh, yeah. Ooh, pitting. Look at this pitting. Yikes. Alright. This might need a cam and lifter set. Sorry, dude. I'm trying to shoot video. Alright, so we figured out. Cam's out, by the way. Hold up the cam, Bernsey. You're holding Patrick's bump stick. Sorry.
Where'd that one go? We moved it.
Yeah, the teeth on the gear here for the distributor. Not happy. Hold on. It's hard to focus when everything's moving. Ooh, that one right there. That's no Esplano, buddy. Lovely. Oh, God, look at that. Yeah, that's why it was stuck in there. So those are for cocked. The other thing that's a disaster, let's go to this lobe, which was intake, I believe, yeah, intake for number 5? No, exhaust for number 5. That was the one that was very, very, the last lifter we pulled, it was very, very concave. You can see how that's starting to go flat. You can see by the wear how it was like, la, 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 where it's supposed to be, and then it's just like, whereas the rest of these are all, they have a little more, but as you got closer up here, the worse they get. So, ooh, 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 ooh. And that one, look, it has a big old chip in it.
Let's see, there's one on this side too.
Yep, right here.
Yep.
There it is. Trying to zoom in on it. Hold still. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh boy. Yep. Patrick, you need a cam, my friend. Cam and lifter set. So maybe we'll have a little phone conversation. Oh, stop moving it! You're gonna make me sick. Oh boy. All right. So. Yep. More fun things.
Yep.
All right. So we'll talk about that with Patrick. Maybe we'll have a phone call later.